Hi, a very good morning to everyone. And always I used to say that the same dialogue in a passionless world, how do you expect me to speak very large? Let me make it very simple. And yesterday, in a comment box, one of my students asked, "Sir, I need to take, not I want to take, not I desire to take, but I need to take a strong decision and I must withstand in it and it should be sustained. How to take a decision very strongly, sir? It's very isolation, it's very dilemma. What I should do in such a way, my decision is very firm or very strong. A nice question, and it is actually 2K is usual question. This is what 2K is problem also. They are hesitate to take a decision and they are not strong in their decision, and by thinking the today's expectations, I should tell this what should to be taken, so that everything will be, what to say, everything would be orderness, everything should be sought out in an orderly way. Let me say, see, very first thing is, a well defined problem is half solved. Well defined problem is half solved. Again I am saying, a well defined problem is half solved. பிரச்சனை என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சிட்டாலே பாதி பிரச்சனை முடிஞ்சிடும். A well defined problem is half solved. For example, we about to do sin. பாவம் பண்ண போவோம் நம்ம. We about to do sin. என்ன பாவம் பண்ண போவோம்? We are going to beat the lizard. We are going to beat the lizard. பள்ளியை நம்ம அடிக்க போவோம். We about to beat the lizard. First you think of it. Where is the real problem? Eggs, which is creating lizard. Dust, which is creating egg. Why dust? Because it is not properly cleaning. So destroy the sources, not after it has grown into some level and doing all the things. That is sin. Destroy the sources, define the problem. A well defined problem is half solved. It is not by you have asked and I am clarifying you. It is I am enlightening you. I know what I am doing and I am speaking very clearly. A well defined problem is half solved. பிரச்சனை என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சிட்டாலே பாதி பிரச்சனை முடிஞ்ச மாதிரி தான். Destroy the sources, that's very important. And having this dilemma, no, a father crying and what to say, stubborn child is asking that I want ice cream. Now it's father's choice. Do I want to fulfill the desire of the child, or do I think about my child health when it is raining time? Either I should serve her liking things, or I should serve her good healthy things. If I take ice cream, I'll get some cold. If I take ice cream, she will be happy. Likewise I should think. So putting this as an example, you take decision. This point is very clear, my dear. You take decision, and as per the decision, okay, you take the like decision. Like decision means what? நீ பிடிச்சதை எடுக்கிற. You take the like decision and you make it as correct, or you take a correct decision, not like decision, a correct decision, and afterwards you make it as like. Do you understand what I'm saying? Either you take like things and make it as right, or you take right things and make it as like. ஒன்று, உனக்கு பிடிச்ச வாழ்க்கையை நீ எடு, அதுக்கப்புறம் சரி பண்ணி ஏதாவது பிரச்சனை வந்துச்சுன்னா, ஆர் உனக்கு கரெக்டான வாழ்க்கையை நீ எடுத்துக்கோ. ஓகே, பிடிச்ச வாழ்க்கையில் ஒரு கரெக்டான வாழ்க்கையை எடுத்துக்கோ, அப்புறம் பிடிக்கும்படி நடந்துக்கோ. இதில் எது பெஸ்ட்டுன்னு பார்த்தா ஐ வுட் சஜஸ்ட் த ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன். யூ டேக் த லைக் திங்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆஃப்டர்வர்ட்ஸ் கரெக்ட் இட், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். அரே யார், டெப்ரிஷியேட்டிங் லைஃப், டிமினிஷிங் லைஃப், வாழ்க்கை குறைஞ்சிட்டே போகுது, உனக்கு பிடிச்சதை எடுத்துக்கோ. அண்ட் ஃபார் தட் யூ மேக் இட் அஸ் கரெக்ட். சார், ஐ ஆம் டேக்கிங் simply saying everyone is falling in love, and the girl asking what I need to take decision, sir. I should skip father and mother, I should skip my education, and after sacrificing those things only I need to marry him. Okay, that's okay, no problem. You take the like things and make it as right. You take the like things and make it as right. That hardship is required. Understand what I'm saying? If not, no, somebody will go for taking a right things, which means arranged marriage. A loving girl who is going for arranged marriage because of the parents, they are going for arranged marriage, and after the arranged marriage they are started to like compulsively. I'm not saying you should go for only love. I'm saying you do that. You take a decision in such a way everyone should be happy. That struggle is required. It is your responsibility. It is your life or the life. It is your responsibility. Again, I'm stressing, it is your life or the life. Attempting is very important. Who knows, when you fail now, oh, I should take this decision. Likewise, you think now, who knows, if you take better decision now, it may be worth of 1,000. When you fail now, experience may be worth of millions. India is still developing economy because of it is not ability to take any risk. If they take risk, no, they would have been in a list of developed nation. US, Japan, China and France under the list, no, India will be there. So take risk, take decision, fail, have experience. This is one thing. Another thing is called, if you're the most need to take decision time is when you have a choices. When you're having so much of choices, we need to take decision. Which option I should go? First, limit the choices. Limit, LIMIT. Limit the choices so that we can take a wise decision. How can I take a limit? How can I limit my choices, sir? Simple, ask experts. Nothing to worry. Ask experts. Wavering age, you cannot able to take any decision. Ask experts. And go for balanced scorecard, which means you go for weightage. For this, there is a weightage. For this weight. And for this weight. And based on this, you will go for. Don't hesitate to go for writing in a diary. And go for balanced scorecard. For mother, this weight. For father, this weight. Weight in the sense, the credit that you are giving in your life. For lover, this credit. Because it is your life. Why don't you go for a preparation? That is what educated mind would do. Write it and go for the weightage. And finally get it. No worry. Therefore, you can limit choices. Limit choices based on what? Everything. Time factor, risk factor, everything. And after that, you'll go for the same. Understand what I'm saying? So this is what very important. Taking a right decision, strong decision. And how to sustain? As I said, no, if I want to sustain, then limit my choices. And based on the weights. If I go for weights, no, I will limit my choices. When I limit my choices, no, it will be sustained forever. Wherever I will go, if I wanted to sustain, no, I will limit the choices. And as I said, no, overall I simply I put this word: don't afraid of giving up good for great. Don't afraid of giving up good for great. That is what very important. Understand here? And this is very important. Again, this code, it is all about you. It is your life or the life. Just think of it. Love you all. Bye.